Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for November the 3rd, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, study data from an early-phase trial of Merck Co's experimental therapy verubecestat, published in the journal Science Translational Medicine, showed that the BACE1 inhibitor reduced levels of amyloid beta plaques in the brains of patients with Alzheimer's disease. Merck also noted that it has initiated 2 phase 3 trials of the oral therapy in the treatment of mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease and prodromal Alzheimer's disease respectively. Merck Research Laboratories Vice President Michael Egan remarked, "We believe this research has the potential to contribute important evidence regarding the amyloid hypothesis." In other news, the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence issued draft guidance recommending NHS reimbursement of Eisai's Halaven for the treatment of locally advanced or metastatic breast cancer in patients who have received at least 2 prior chemotherapy treatments. The agency rejected the drug for this indication in 2012, but Carol Longson, director of the Center for Health Technology Evaluation at NICE, said when we first looked at Halaven in 2012, there wasn't enough evidence of its clinical effectiveness compared with current standard treatments. Longson noted, "For this appraisal, we've been able to consider updated results from the trial used in the original guidance that show women taking Halaven lived on average almost 3 months longer compared with women taking other treatments." Also featured, in documents released ahead of an FDA advisory panel meeting on November 4, FDA staff said that Cempra's experimental community-acquired pneumonia therapy solithromycin can cause an elevation in liver enzyme levels. Agency reviewers noted that a significant safety signal for hepatotoxicity was observed in the solithromycin development program, adding that another area of concern was the high rate of infusion site-related reactions. And finally, in a lawsuit filed in Delaware Chancery Court, former investors of Sprout Pharmaceuticals alleged that Valiant mishandled the marketing of the hypoactive sexual desire disorder drug Addyi. Specifically, the litigation argues that Valiant violated terms of its acquisition of Sprout by overcharging for the therapy and failing to make pledged investments to market the drug. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.